I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the exact measure you have and the ounce type you need. First, identify whether you're converting to US fluid ounces or imperial ounces. Most recipes use US. Once done, note the ml amount and choose precision, round to 0, 1 or whole numbers depending on use. Now, grab a calculator or use your phone. You will multiply the ml by the conversion factor. Make sure to set your calculator to decimal mode so you can get an accurate result. You now execute the math. Multiply the ml amount by 0.033814 to get US FL Oz. If you need imperial, use 0.035195 instead. For example, multiply 250 ml by 0.033814 to yield about 4,535 Oz. Once done, decide rounding. Use 1 decimal for pouring liquids or round to whole numbers for larger batches. Make sure to check units after calculation. You finish by applying the converted value to your measuring cup or scale. Pour slowly to the mark indicated and verify visually. For critical recipes, recalc using the unrounded number to confirm. If quantities feel incorrect, double-check you used the right conversion factor and that decimals weren't misplaced. One key troubleshooting tip: if results are unexpectedly large or small, confirm you didn't confuse ml with L, and ensure you chose US versus imperial ounces before repeating the calculation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.